This is how you hard reset, factory reset, clean and wipe Samsung Galaxy S6 before you recycle it. So we're going to start by holding volume up, home button, and power all at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. And we're going to keep holding all the way through the Samsung logo popping up. Keep holding, keep holding. And now with this Android, we let go. And now this will last from anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds to about a minute. So to save us time, I'm going to hit pause. I'll be right back. And then this logo comes up, the sleeping Android, and he's going to last for about 15 to 20 seconds. And I'll push pause and come right back. And now the Android recovery menu has popped up after a few more seconds, and we are going to use the volume keys to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. We're going to press confirm with power. One more time, yes, I want to factory reset, confirm with power, and then we'll be able to see right here when the wiping is done. Data wipe is complete, and that is how you hard reset, factory reset, wipe and clean your Samsung Galaxy S6 before you recycle it. If this has been helpful to you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.